Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. I would be super honored if you would take a hot minute and just hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that I can let you know every single time I have one of these awesome videos for you to watch. Today we are going to go all in on black and white buffalo check fall decor. So we're going to take some fun products like this hair donut, and we're gonna make some really stinking cute fall pumpkins and things like this. How cute is that? Anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let me know in the comments below which one of these projects is your absolute favorite. All right, this is gonna be good, y'all. We're gonna start out with this really cute picture frame pumpkin. You're gonna need 3 of these little mini Dollar Tree picture frames. You can pick whatever color you want, but everything in these projects I'm using are black and white. These are those fun little, I don't know, wedding place setting picture frames. They're really tiny. You're gonna take the guts out, which is what I call the back and the little cardboard part. Then you're gonna take this buffalo check crafter square vinyl from the Dollar Tree and cut yourself out a little square the size of the glass of the picture frame. So I just used the glass from the picture frame as a template and then added them back in place of the photos. So this just makes a really cute, easy, quick way to add the buffalo check. Now I'm going to use some hot glue to glue the first 2 picture frames together, just right there on the sides, and then I'm going to put a generous bead of hot glue down the center of the 2 that I just glued together and pop back on the middle picture frame. And yes, of course, we're making a pumpkin. We're going to add this little cork. You can get corks at thrift stores. I think they even have them on Amazon. I can link a few here. But oh my gosh, cutest little pumpkin ever. Decided to add some wired twine. You can get this at the Dollar Tree as well. We're just going to make some little curly cues, I guess is what you call it, for the pumpkin. And just took some wire cutters there to trim it off. And then I'm going to take a pen and roll it up loosely to make the little corkscrew look for your pumpkin. Now it was really loose, so I decided to hot glue it right here from the back just to make sure it stayed. And then I took a little bit of greenery, some boxwood, picked some sprigs off, and I'm going to hot glue it right here onto the cork and the twine just to kind of finish off this cute little Dollar Tree picture frame pumpkin. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is adorable for a tiered tray or just to set on your kitchen counter. I absolutely love it. So pumpkin number 2 is made from this hair donut. Don't ask me how I got this idea. I have no idea. I saw people were using those little scrubbies and I thought, oh, well, this is similar in size. So I took the little hair donut and I took a scrap piece of fabric from the Dollar Tree. They have these little bundles, and using my rotary cutters, I just cut out about a few inches on either side of the donut. And I keep calling it a donut. That's what they call it, y'all. Okay, and then I just tucked the fabric in, starting with each corner, all 4 corners, to the center of the donut. My grandmother used to use one of these for her hair, y'all. So it was really hard to use it for a pumpkin, but it turned out super darling, super cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Couldn't get easier. Could not get easier. And then I'm going to grab that bundle of corks again. Did I call it corkscrews earlier? They're literally just corks. I'm just being really picky here, picking which cork I want. And then I'm going to add it to the center of the hole where the little hair donut hole is. And it wouldn't stay down there very well. Ultimately, I decided to tack it in there with a little bit of hot glue. But in the meantime, I'm going to add some jute twine just around a few times just to give it a little bit of a cute little farmhousey look. I'm going to tie a little easy bow on the front. And then, like I said, I decided to glue it in there, but I'm going to trim the twine first. There we go. Glue the corkscrew in there, Melanie. Should have done that from the beginning. You never know. Sometimes the projects just take on a life of their own. Then I grabbed another little piece of that boxwood greenery and I'm going to glue it right there into the side of the pumpkin, just like we did to the picture frame pumpkin, but to the side of the hair donut pumpkin. And so now we have 2 little pumpkins. What do you think? I love this little pumpkin. So cute. Okay, you guys, I did this project live during my craftathon. I took 3 Dollar Tree books. Now, the rule is it has to be a hardback book with a dust cover, and they need to be all 3 the same exact size. So no mix and matching going on here. I literally took the dust cover off of each of the books, turned it wrong side out, and using a Dollar Tree ruler, I scored it back in place the opposite direction. So you're going to do this to all 3 of your hardback books, just like you see here. Then I took some of these Crafter Square stickers. They're literally just stickers. They have all these really, really cute sayings on them. I'm going to use the Grateful, Thankful, Blessed to give these book dust covers a really farmhousey look. And they fit perfectly. They're clear backed. I just loved it. And this is a great project if you don't have a Cricut. Now listen, I also use this shipping tape. You guys, did you know that shipping tape can come in buffalo check? Now, this wasn't the brightest of ideas, but I had never tried it and I was trying it live. So here we are, struggling a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult to get this wrapped around it, but once I did, boom, so cute, so easy actually. Then I just wrapped this twine around just to finish it off and make it look completed. And I put the twine around it a few times, tied a little bow in the front, and it mimics both of the other pumpkins that we've done so far, y'all, adding a little bit of this boxwood to the top. And bada bing, bada boom, you've got yourself a really stinking cute book stack. 3 Dollar Tree books, a thing of stickers, and some tape. Now, the last pumpkin is going to be one of these black pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Now, mine got all scuffed up, and I don't know about you, but they have that little cheap white styrofoam inside. So I just use a black Sharpie to kind of fill in the gaps so that you wouldn't see the white poking out. Then I'm going to remove the tag. Oh, look, there's more dots, more spots. And then I'm going to take out that little toothpick stem from the center. And again, using my Sharpie, just kind of cover up the holes. Then I'm going to take this Dollar Tree buffalo check ribbon, or I don't know if it's trim or ribbon. It's not very soft, but it's fine. And the funny thing is they call it animal print because I guess it says buffalo. Anyway, so you're going to hot glue it to the center and then just pick a corner, any corner. I tried to go down the spines and follow the grooves, but it does not have to be down it exactly. And I just rolled it over on itself, cut off a little piece, and hot glued it to the center. And I'm going to repeat this for the entire pumpkin until I felt like it had enough buffalo check on it. Is there ever enough? Is there such a thing? You guys, if you don't know, I do have a free buffalo check group over on Facebook that I will link below if you're interested in joining us over there. We share lots of fun projects. And yeah, we have a lot of fun. So I'm going to, again, glue this all to the center. Just really trying to cute up this black pumpkin and make it a little more adorable and farmhousey, less scary, less spooky, less Halloweeny. Is that a word? Halloweeny. Anyway, y'all, sometimes I can be really, really silly. All right, so we're gonna finish it up with this last spine, I guess, on the buffalo check ribbon. Absolutely loving how this pumpkin is coming together. And one last thing of hot glue. And then I decided, oh, this is not secure. So I glued it a little more at the bottom. I'm going to add this stick from the yard. You guys know how to use a stick from the yard. And then this really cute greenery wired ribbon is what they call it. And then some little faux leaves that I grabbed off of some other pieces from the Dollar Tree. And it is so cute, so stinking cute, the way that this pumpkin comes together. I was a little fussy about where I put the leaves, but ultimately they got on there, and this little pumpkin is adorable. Listen, you guys need to let me know in the comments below if you will try to make one of these and which one of these pumpkins is your favorite out of all of them. So let's look at them. We've got the little hair donut pumpkin, so cute. Then we've got the little pumpkin here. I did add that little cute bow to the middle with the picture frames. Then we've got the book stack, and we've got the one we just finished with the stick from the yard at the top. There they all are in their glory. All right, let's look at them one last time. So we've got the hair donut, we've got the picture frame, we've got the book stack, and the farmhouse buffalo check pumpkin. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and I appreciate you so much. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more.